Intussen is aangekondig dat Mejuffrou SA tot die Mejuffrou Wêreldkompetisie hertoegelaat is. Diana is dus nie lank na haar terugkeer na Suid-Afrika nie, na Londen, om aan te sluit by die res van die 80 Mejuffrou Wêreldfinaliste.
And so Miss South Africa, a special welcome to you today.
Net om 'n paar dae later saam met hulle terug te keer om 'n uitputtende logistiese oefening aan te pak. Vir die meisies was dit 'n vermoeiende reisprogram. Verfilming en staanmaak voor die kameras. Alles ten bate van fondsinsameling vir Operasie Honger.
It was to prove to be an extremely successful project for Operation Hunger. Ina Perlman, Executive Director of Operation Hunger.
And we're just deeply grateful and overwhelmed by the impact. I don't think anything has ever done more for our organisation than that program. It was absolutely wonderful. I really can't be grateful enough for what was achieved.
Then it was time for Atlanta and the Miss World pageant. As the show progressed, Diana once again began to shine through as finalist material. Then, with the whole of South Africa rooting for her, Diana managed to go through to the finals.